Alright, we got something that doesn't really fit in the whole picture here. Let's just see if I can back up some. Got a PlayStation 4, and the HDMI port is broken. Seems to be a quite common problem as I've looked at. I'm going to go ahead and take this thing apart. Might do a two-part video. One is just taking the old one apart, and then I might do another video of actually repairing or replacing the port. I'm just going to pop all the screws out of the back here. I've already taken, there was some little protector pieces, or covers rather, along with a warranty sticker. I just went ahead and took all those off. Alright, so we're going to slide this off to get the hard drive out. Ooh, that's going to need the cleaning. I'll take this Phillips screw out here and get the hard drive out. Yeah, that definitely needs a blowing out. I've already taken those screws out of the back side there, so pop that off, and oh yeah, that definitely is going to need cleaning. These are some security Torx bits, and I keep grabbing the wrong one. There's our T9. That one's going to have to come out, so I'll take that one there. And I'm totally off camera again. I always do that. Although this thing is so big, I'm trying to keep everything in frame. So I keep switching between Phillips and not Phillips. That's a long one. I'm going to have to clean my whole workbench when I'm done with this one. It's like a well-used PlayStation. Pretty much any of the spots where you have arrows is going to be where you're taking screws out of. Got that unplugged. There we go. There's a connector for the power in there, so you have to try to lift this thing straight up out. Take this connector loose here. Take this power connector loose there. This here looks like a connector for a Wi-Fi antenna. Actually, yes it is. It looks like it runs straight up to the front on that other screw that I took off there. Set that aside. Boy, that fan is just gross. Pull that one up there. Screw out. We need to take that little Phillips screw out there. There's your Blu-ray drive. Back to the Forex bit again. Since I'm taking this thing apart enough to replace the connector, I'm pretty much just going to have to take all the screws out anyway. Depending on what you're doing, if you're just cleaning one out, you may not have to take everything out. Switch back to my Phillips head here. Need to pull this screw out here to be able to get the main board out. Looks like that one's a little bit bigger screw, so I'm just going to grab another screwdriver here. Looks like they used a large variety of screws in this whole entire thing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip it back over. And take this bottom panel off, and basically once you have all these screws out, you just have to kind of pry it up. Really not wanting to come up. There we go. Just have to feel for those clips to release. These are the clips here. Boy, this thing is gonna need a big time cleaning. Okay, try to get all this in frame. And pull this connector off here. Back to our security Torx. One good thing is it seems that all the Torx screws are actually the same length, so no worry to mix all those up. Now we're back to a smaller Phillips. These look bigger than they were. And these are the screws that hold down the main heat sink to the processor. And just one back there in the corner. Alright, lift that off there. And now we're at the main board. I should be able to lift this straight out. I got everything out of here. It looks like I need to pull this connector. I should have pulled that earlier. I just pulled straight out. And there we go. And we are to the main board here. Now we can, I don't know if you can see the damage to the HDMI port there. There's some pins missing in it. Well, that's it for this video. I'm gonna have to clean my workbench here and everything, and then my next video will be actually replacing this HDMI connector. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you at the next video. Thank you.